Jungle day. A majestic lion proudly walking down the river to drink water after a mating with a lioness. Females are receptive to mating for 3 or 4 days within a widely variable reproductive cycle. During this time a pair generally mates every 20 to 30 minutes, with up to 50 copulations per 24 hours. Female lions, lionesses, are able to give birth to cubs all year round, usually from the age of about 3 or 4 years old. Pregnancy lasts for around 110 to 120 days. Eventually, when it is time to give birth, lionesses leave their family tribe to find a private den in the shelter of bushes, or even a cave. Like humans, lions are born without teeth. They grow small ones when still very young, which are then replaced with adult teeth as they get older. Cheetahs are very fast creatures, and that comes at the expense of their size. They can weigh up to 140 pounds and grow about 5 feet long. Cheetah cubs grow rapidly and have reached half their adult size at 6 months of age. By the time they are 8 months old they have lost the last of their milk teeth, and they start trying to stalk and hunt, though these are usually clumsy and unsuccessful attempts. A group of cheetah is called a coalition. Coalitions are typically made up of 2 to 3 male cheetah, and are usually established amongst brothers. It is uncommon for a male cheetah to live alone. Cubs live with their mothers for about 18 months. The mother moves the cubs frequently for protection from predators. Cheetah cubs have a high mortality rate, and researchers found that lions and hyenas kill up to 70% of cheetah cubs. The mother will leave her cubs when they are between 16 to 24 months old. She is usually pregnant again by this stage, and will simply disappear or chase them away, leaving her cubs to fend for themselves. The leopard is one of the 5 extant species in the genus Panthera. It has a pale yellowish to dark golden fur with dark spots grouped in rosettes. Its body is slender and muscular, reaching a length of 92 to 183 cm with a 66 to 102 cm long tail and a shoulder height of 60 to 70 cm. Leopards tend to be solitary animals and rarely interact with each other, except to mate or raise cubs. Leopards have incredible strength and can climb as high as 50 feet, 15 meters, up a favorite tree while holding a fresh kill in its mouth, even one larger and heavier than themselves. They stash food up high so other predators such as lions or hyenas can't get it. A leopard male will stay with the female for 1 to 4 days to mate. During this time, the pair will engage in a lot of chasing in a relatively small area and mate on average 4 times an hour. The leopard's hunting technique is to either ambush its prey or to stalk it. In either instance, it tries to get as close as possible to its target. The mountain lion would win a fight versus a leopard due to its stronger bite, extra body mass, and overall strength. However, it would not be without difficulty. The leopard's ability to hide, strength, and ability to fight would be quite a match for the mountain lion. Taking frequent cat naps allows them get plenty of rest while still maintaining awareness of their surroundings. Mountain lions sleep for up to 17 hours per day. They prefer cool, shady spots in the warmer seasons and sunny rocks during the cooler months. During mating, the male and female will stay together for 3 to 10 days until they depart from each other. Mountain lions are polygamous animals, meaning they mate with several others. A female's gestation period is 90 days until she gives birth to 1 to 4 cubs. Mountain lions eat meat, and they're opportunists. They will eat anything from mice to raccoons to coyotes, and occasionally pets and small livestock. That have been left outdoors in lion country unprotected. But for nearly 75% of their diet, deer is on the menu. European wild cat is a small wild cat species native of continental European, Turkish, Scottish and Caucasus. It inhabits forest from Peninsula, Italy, Central and Eastern Europe of the Caucasus. Wildcat weighs between 7 to 18 pounds, stands 14 to 16 inches tall and reaches lengths of 29 to 46 inches. The European wildcat is typically a gray-brown cat with a wide variety in ground color. Feral cats will use most of their energy trying to stay warm in the frigid winter months. A regular, ample supply of food will help them conserve the energy they need to stay warm. It will also help their bodies sustain their natural insulation, thick coats and an extra layer of fat. In the wild, cats climb up trees to give them a resting or napping place that is out of predators' range. A white tiger or bleached tiger is a leucistic pigmentation variant of the mainland tiger. It is reported in the wild from time to time in the Indian states of Madhya Pradesh, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, in the Sundarbans region and especially in the former state of Rua. The white tiger is a large and powerful animal that can weigh up between 400 and 550 pounds or as much as 6 10-year-old kids together. It is as long as a small car, around 10 feet. White tigers are generally solitary animals that hunt alone, mostly at night. Lion white fascinates the whole world. It is not a subspecies of the lion from Africa or an albino, but a feline that has in its DNA a allele responsible for the so-called leucistism mutation which alters pigmentation skin. It's here pigmentation that distinguishes the white lion from the albino lion. Lions have few predators to fear other than humans. A very young or sickly lion might fall prey to hyenas. Lions are most affectionate to their like-sexed companions. Females spend their lives in their mother's pride or with their sisters in a new pride. Males may only spend a few years in a given pride but remain with their coalition partners throughout their lives. Lions are the only big cats to live in family units called prides. Other big cats live solitary lives, except when breeding or raising cubs. A lion pride may include up to 3 males, a dozen females, and their young. All of a pride's female lionesses and cubs are typically related. Sometimes the male come back to the pride they born in, and challenge the male and claim the female as mate. Some of them are their mother and sister. Lions require 50 milliliters water per kilogram BW per day and acquire 50 to 100% of this through prey depending upon availability. Clark and Berry, 1992. Green et al. 1984b. When attacking small animals, the lion hides in the grass, maintaining a low profile. Lion and their greedy attitude, they eat up to 30 kilograms of meat in just one season. If a lion can't eat that much, he takes a nap for a few hours. Then comes to eat again. With slow and intended move, the lion captures the prey. Mostly they go for the straightforward chase and hunt strategy for the smaller prey.
as the eagle disappears below the surface, only to emerge seconds later with a fish gripped tightly in its talons. With effortless ease, the eagle takes flight once again, triumphantly showcasing its mastery of the skies and the sea.
Unlike many domestic cats, jaguars don't avoid water. They have adapted to living in wet environments, and can be found swimming in lakes, rivers and wetlands. They are confident swimmers, known to cross large rivers. Sometimes, jaguar manages to kill the crocodile or fish and takes it away in the forest. Though jaguars are typically solitary animals, the male and female form temporary associations when ready to mate. They travel and feed together until after completing several rounds of copulation. Tigers can sleep 18 to 20 hours a day. They snooze during the day to conserve energy to hunt at night. Talk about an epic cat nap. Donnie Moranu and 191 others like this. Tiger can reach a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour. Although this speed is impressive, the big cat can only keep this pace for 20 meters. On the other hand, it can travel several dozen kilometers in search of prey. Savanna, one of the wildest and most fascinating ecosystems in the world. However, life in the wild can be challenging, and not all cubs survive. The cheetah is the fastest land animal, and its slender frame is adapted for speed. It is an agile predator that uses its bursts of speed to catch prey by surprise. Despite their incredible speed, big cats face many dangers in their environment, including poachers, habitat loss, and disease. The big cat is another formidable feline in the wild, known for its strength, agility, and remarkable adaptability. The cat's stealth and strength make it a skilled hunter and efficient killer. However, the big cat also faces threats from human encroachment, habitat loss, and poaching. The cycle of life and death on the savanna is a natural and integral part of the ecosystem. Each animal has its role and place, and they all contribute to the balance of the ecosystem. The big cats of the savanna are powerful, agile, and fearless predators, but they are also vulnerable and threatened species.
The African lion is the king of the jungle, and it is revered for its power and strength. Lionesses go on hunts for their pride, as they are the primary hunters of the group. Move quietly, stay under cover, and always stay together. Lionesses rely on their stealth and experience to bring down prey. These skilled predators have an impressive sense of teamwork and cooperation. The cubs learn from a young age how to hunt in the wild. And they playfully practice their skills with each other. We can help preserve their populations and protect the savanna for generations to come. With conservation efforts and education on the importance of these animals to the ecosystem.